Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this video, we're simply gonna look at how to hide the profile banners on OnlyFans. Now let us begin. To note, I've already logged in case you have not, do it right now. The process quite easy. We've also created a tutorial regarding how to do that if you are facing any issues. Now let's simply look at how to hide the profile banners. At the top right next to the home button, you can see these three dots. Simply click on it. And this is it guys, from here you're gonna be provided these three options like hide all locked posts, hide all promotional posts, and finally hide the profile banners. This is the button that we wish. I'm simply gonna click on it. And guys, that is it. Once you click on it, all the profile banners will be hidden from your OnlyFans account. Well guys, that's it. That's how we hide profile banners and OnlyFans. The process quite easy. That is it guys. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and definitely subscribe. We're gonna be uploading videos like this more. Until next time, thank you.